Let's walk through how to create a pulse panning effect in After Effects. It's a great way to add some dynamic movement to your clips. Start by placing your clip into the timeline. Once it's in place, head over to the Effects and Presets panel. Type in Motion Tile and drag it onto your clip. Now, in the Effect Controls panel, adjust the output width and output height to 200 each. Also, make sure to check the box for mirror edges. This ensures the edges of your clip will look seamless when it moves. Next, go back to the Effects and Presets panel and search for S_shake. Drag this effect onto your clip as well. In the Effect Controls panel, you'll see several settings for the shake. Start by setting the frequency to 1.6 and the amplitude to 0.15. These values control how intense and fast the shake will be. For the X shake, set the X random amplitude to 0 since we don't need any horizontal shake. Now move to the Y shake settings. Set the Y random amplitude to 100. This will create the vertical movement in the effect. For the Z shake, set the Z random amplitude to 7 and the Z wave amplitude to 45. Also, change the wave frequency to 1 and set the Z phase to 14. These settings will give your clip a smooth yet intense panning effect. Lastly, adjust the tilt shake by setting the tilt random amplitude to 15. This will add some tilt or rotation, giving it that final dynamic pulse. Now, just hit play and watch the pulse panning effect in action. You can always fine-tune the values to suit your video's style. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.